Okay, look what came in today. Yes, Fineday mechanical keyboard. I backed it on Indiegogo. And it arrived a few days ago on Heathrow Airport. Ta-da! There we go! Isn't that fantastic? The looks a bit battered. I saw that also in other users. Other backers, their box also looked a little bit better, but as long as the keyboard is fine, isn't it? Fineday Keyboard 2. Thank you, Fineday. It wasn't easy this year with all the coronavirus. Right. Extra keys or something, not sure. I'm not that technical when it comes to stuff like that. Oops, a daisy. Nice lead. Nice quality lead. It's from a fabric type. Yeah, exactly what we need. That's nice. This is the packaging. It's nicely packed. Other firms can take a lesson from this. Yeah. A nice little magazine. It's time that I learn to read Chinese. Oh no, excellent. Well done for putting your own language first and not the English. Yeah, I like that. Bluetooth keyboard, user manual, retro mechanical Bluetooth keyboard. There. Precaution for safety, please read before you think it's broken. Please read before you think it's broken. Name of each part. Name of each part. How to use wireless mode. Pairing method. How to pair when using 2 or more smart devices. How wonderful. Nice and clear. But I also like very much Fineday is that you have used a font that we can all read without the use of an glass, or you know, the manuals nowadays are so small, the letter type. It's almost impossible to read. So nicely done. Compliment for the manual. But let's look at the keyboard itself. I see some keys here. They have come out of their place. Not sure if you can see that, but there are 2 keys. Then I think they can just be pushed in. Am I right in thinking that? Or do I have a problem? No, they can just be pushed in. No idea why they came loose. Yeah. They seem to be connected again. Right. Wow. Wonderful. First impression. I absolutely love mechanical keyboards. This is not the loudest I have, because as you can maybe just see here, this is my totally different sound, but I love the clicking. The more clicking, the better. I'm in a fortunate situation. I don't need to take account for other people in the being in the room. Right, so let's connect the cable there. Not sure if I need to turn that on. I guess I need to read the instructions for that. But just let's give it some power and see what it does. Shall we? I'm going to connect it to my Mac Mini. Let's see what happens. Ooh, did you see that? It's coming on. Ooh, and it's also on my screen. It's trying to identify the keyboard, the Mac Mini. But wow, I mean, okay, I bought this especially to use with my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So I'm now going to try to pair it. Put the iPad here for a minute. And I'm following the instructions, and it says make sure the mode indicator. But I first have to switch the Fine keyboard to on. And that is here at the back towards the biggest part of the keyboard. That turns the Bluetooth on. And then make sure the wire mode active LED is on, the 4th green LED, but that is not the case. So did I do that wrong? I need to press that 1 to 2 seconds until the light starts to blink. It's not doing it. But it says here, make sure the wireless mode active LED indicators on, the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, green LED indicator. Mine is red. So I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so my keyboard seems to have a problem. It didn't have any problem connecting to my iMac Mini, okay? But if you want to go to the Bluetooth function, I'm not sure if you can see, but here is a red light. And the instruction says that you have to turn it on here on the back towards Bluetooth. And I do, because it's wired already to my Mac, I need to do tap and FN, tap FN, and there's something my Mac reacts, but this should start blinking and become green, and that's not happening. So I also inserted two AA batteries in the hope that it would work if I unplugged them. But no, my keyboard doesn't seem to have green. Also, I'm not sure. Oh, something is loose in my keyboard. It has improved since I have put the batteries in, but something, not sure if you, something is rolling around in there. Right, so I have just no idea other than following the instructions on YouTube, on which it says to push tab and FN function key. It doesn't work on mine. I can try other combinations, but I doubt that will make a difference. Control FN, no. It's not working. How sad is that? Because the intent was to use it with my iPad. But so far I've been unsuccessful. The rest works. This is the side button. Yeah, that works nicely too. I'm typing something onto a comment on my YouTube channel. And other than that, I must say the machine, the keyboard works nicely. Yeah, escape works because this came, as you could see, this key was loose and this key was loose, but they seem to be working fine. The only problem I have, which is crucial, is that I can't switch to Bluetooth mode. And I have tried turning the machine on and off. I can try it again. As you can see, I have now the batteries are taking over. You see the difference in light. Did you see that? I will plug it back in. Batteries are less strong. Battery. And that is on strongest. And this is electric. Okay, the mains. So there is a slight difference. And I have my Bluetooth switch to on. And I do tap and FN. Sadly enough, it's just not working. I will contact Fineday. So far they have given me excellent service and communication. So I'm pretty sure this will be resolved. But it's a bit disappointing. I was so looking forward using the keyboard, and now not being able to. It's a bit sad. The typing experience. Let me bring something up. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice typing experience. It always takes a little adjustments when coming from the keyboard that I use often behind my desk. That is the Apple keyboard. It's not my favorite, but you know, don't know why I'm using it really. I prefer mechanical keyboards. The sound could have been a little bit more clicky to my liking. I like to have more sound feedback. But it being not so loud has the ideal situation that you are able to use it in a place where other people are present, which is a plus for some people. And as I mentioned, that is for me. It's not a problem. I'm making many more mistakes than usual. I'm not sure, is it because I'm not sitting straight? Or because I have been typing too long on the Apple keyboard. Because it is a slightly different, there's more travel in these keys. No, very nice. I like that this is just as easy, probably easier, but it's super cool. Now, let's see what Fineday is going to say about my inability to connect any Bluetooth device to this. And I will make another video when it is been sorted. Very happy with it, just a bit disappointed that I can't use it with my iPad as I planned. And as you can see, that is iPad 12. And I could also show you something else. I also have a 13. I had to take my iPad out of its case, otherwise it wouldn't fit. I'm using a big case, I must say that. I'm using the Sugu case. So that's quite thick, as you can see, and that just doesn't fit. But let's see if this one fits. Yeah, this one fits. This is the box. This is a 13-inch e-ink tablet, and that fits even if it's in the case. It's coming forward a bit, so I must also stress that my working table is slanted. It's a standing and lying down desk, so the tablet has to work against gravity a little bit. But if I take it out of its case, it sits very nicely actually. So this is the 13-inch, and there is still space. That is at least an inch, if not 1.5 or 2. Yes, that. So I could have also connected it to this 13-inch tablet, but it's not working. So I will contact the firm and see what they say. I'm sure they will solve it. but it's a bit disappointing. Right, thank you for watching.